at this moment of the day, boys and girls. Today we are starting a new topic, mensuration, where we're going to cover area of plane shapes.
Area of plane shapes. In mathematics, area is the quantity that expresses the extent of a two-dimensional surface or shape in the plane. It quantifies how much space a flat, two-dimensional figure occupies. Here are some key points about area. Units. Area is measured in square units.
If you are new on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for free and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss our lessons. Let's start with the area of a square, which is calculated by saying side times side, followed by the area of rectangles as well as parallelograms. A rectangle is calculated by length times width, and then the length of a parallelogram, it is calculated as base times height, of which for us to know that it is the height, it has to have a right angle, which means that it is perpendicular to the baseline. So we can simply say area of a parallelogram in short like this equals base times height. So this is the shortcut for parallelogram. Then let us now move on to, you need to understand the key points. When there is insufficient information, never assume. Is insufficient information, never assume. Assuming without concrete evidence is not allowed in the mathematics, and you will fail. You need concrete evidence to support the information for you to apply the principles of each and every aspect. If you are not sure about the properties of quadrilaterals, go on Google and search like this. Let me demonstrate here for you to understand. You just need to demonstrate. Just go there and search Form 1 Maths. Form 1 Maths by center one. The one like this. And search. Then you look here. The one Form 1 Maths by center one, Form 1 Maths by center one. This is the one which I'm talking about, and click here. You view a list of all the series of our videos and go and look at this particular video, this one. What are the 6 types of quadrilaterals and their properties / Zemsek and Cambridge method? This lesson has got all the properties of quadrilaterals which I have taught, include everything. As you can see, everything. Let me explain. Don't forget to like this video, share with your classmates, and subscribe for more lessons. Now it's different in this case. This one is a rectangle and this one is a parallelogram, because we have been labeled that this one is a rectangle. So we are now free to apply all the properties of rectangles here. And in this case, we are also now free to apply all properties of parallelogram. That is a very, very important in mathematics. After they are labeled, they are now rectangles in the parallelograms, because we are now sure that they are rectangles because we are told so. Calculate the area of a rectangle. We are sure that this is a rectangle because it has been said so. So let us go ahead and calculate length times width, which goes 9 times 4, which gives us, this is the base and this is the height. So 9 times 4, that's 36 squared meters. 36 squared meters. So that's how we calculate. Take note, please, area is always given in squared units. So meters, we square the meters, right, to get the area. Let us now move on to the next example, which is example 2. Calculate the area of the parallelogram below and then the length marked x. So here's the parallelogram. We are sure that this is a parallelogram because the statement instructed us that this one is a parallelogram. So this side is 18, this one is 12, and this one is 6, and this one is x centimeters. So the area of a parallelogram is calculated times base times height. This is the base in this case, and this is the height. We use known quantities. 18 by 6 will give us 54 squared centimeters. So this is our answer. And let us now move on to the part B, which says calculate x. Using the same parallelogram, area is just the same because it is the same diagram. So base times height is equals to 54 squared centimeters. Taking this base now, then this is become our height because this has got a right angle. So 12 by x is equal to 54 squared centimeters. This should give us the same area because it is the same parallelogram, isn't it? So let us divide by 12 both sides, and then we cancel the centimeters. The 12 and 12, 1. Therefore, x is equals to 4.5. These centimeters, they will cancel with these squared centimeters, and we will remain with centimeters on the numerator. So our answer is x is equals to 4.5 centimeters. This is our final answer.
Decomposition. For complex or irregular shapes, their area can often be found by dividing them into simpler shapes whose areas can be calculated and then summed up. Practical applications. Area is a fundamental concept used in many real-world applications, such as calculating the amount of paint needed for a wall, determining the size of a plot of land, figuring out how much carpet or tile is needed for a floor, designing architecture and urban planning. In physics, for concepts like pressure, force per unit area.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, or visit our website mugombionlineschool.com and enroll for a full course. Thank you.